The other function now, which is number 5, is that a noun phrase can be the object of preposition. Here again you notice the use of the word object, but it's not direct object or indirect object, it is something else. It has to do with the preposition. I saw him in his office. The girl returns from school. She went up the stairs to her bedroom. These are noun phrases. His office, school, her bedroom, the stairs. All these are noun phrases. We're not concerned now with the type, that is to say their type as noun phrases, but we are now concerned with their function in the sentence here. So what is the function of his office in this sentence? Well, I saw him in his office because the noun phrase starts with a preposition in. We call the function as object of preposition. It's an object of this preposition in. But please don't confuse it. I am repeating this. Don't confuse the object of preposition with the direct object and indirect object. Direct object, you ask question what for things or animals, and for people you ask who. But here you cannot ask this question, who or what. So be careful. And indirect object, you ask to whom, for who, for what, etc. Here you cannot ask this question. So this function is called the object of preposition. And what is preposition? This is the preposition, in. This is another preposition, from, and up, and to, at, with, etc. The girl returns from school. School here is another object of preposition, from. The stairs is again the object of preposition, up. The noun phrase here, her bedroom, is functioning as the object of preposition, to. So this is quite easy. We move on now with the other functions. Number 6. And here the function is called an appositive. What is it, the appositive? Well, this means that the noun can be descriptive of another noun or pronoun. It means they are in opposition. They are side by side. They are placed parallel to each other. This is what it means, this word appositive. I give you examples. The bookshelf, a modern piece of furniture, was moved into the house first. Here, a modern piece of furniture, it's a noun phrase, isn't it? Right? Here, what is its function? It functions as an appositive. An appositive is an addition. It goes side by side with the noun here, the bookshelf. It means you are explaining the bookshelf, are giving description of the bookshelf. What is the bookshelf? It's like in a dictionary. You go in your dictionary and you find the definition of the bookshelf. The bookshelf is a modern piece of furniture, right? So here, instead of is a modern piece of furniture, it's deleted is, and instead of is you have the two commas here. This appositive, this function of the appositive, you can just go without it. I mean, if you just say the bookshelf was moved into the house first, is your sentence complete? Does it make sense? Yes, indeed it does, because it is understood the bookshelf was moved into the house first. So what are you doing here in these words, in this noun phrase here? This noun phrase here is only giving extra information about the bookshelf. This extra information is helpful, yes, it gives you more understanding of the bookshelf, it defines it, it gives it a definition and more explanation. Second example, I, the president of this association, will take the decision. If I just tell you I will take the decision, I think you will be satisfied with my sentence because it makes sense, it's full, it's complete. But if I add to you this piece of information, the president of this association here, it is an addition, it is an explanation, it's a positive. This noun phrase here is functioning as an appositive, as an addition, extra information. You, the eldest son of your parents, should assume all the responsibilities of your family. Here again, it's the same thing. You should assume all the responsibilities of your family is fine. I mean, it's fine. It's a good sentence, complete, full, it makes sense. But if I add this, the eldest son of your parents, here you are giving more information about you, you are describing you are giving something extra information about you, yeah, which is helpful, right? And here, notice that the use of the appositive is mainly used in written English. It's not very common when we speak in English, in everyday English, we use appositive. I mean, it's quite uncommon unless it is a very formal speech by somebody holding a position and speaking in a very formal speech.